Hey, what's going on, guys? So I know I haven't made any videos lately. I've been very busy. We got a brand new puppy. His name is Leonidas. He has his own Instagram if you guys want to see what he looks like. I've also been doing the Thanksgiving holiday shopping, so I've just been kind of preoccupied. But don't worry, I will be continuing to make videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the untrusted or unverified or revoked certificates. So if I try to open this app, it says unable to verify app. So what you're going to want to do is go over to your settings. You're going to want to scroll down to where Safari is located, and then you're going to go ahead and go all the way down and hit clear history and website data. Clear that. Now all you want to do is put your phone into airplane mode, and then just go ahead and try to open the app now, and the app will open. I know we've been getting hit with a lot of revokes lately, so a lot of your applications have stopped working and are not opening. Do not uninstall them, because once you uninstall them, you won't be able to re-download them until there's a new certificate. This is the best way to do it. Just keep it on your phone. If you can't open it, do those steps that I mentioned. You'll be able to open it and use your app. Now, 24 hours later, you might have to redo that whole process again, just because I've noticed that after using the app a couple times, the next day I usually have to go in, clear the Safari data again, and put my phone into airplane mode to get it to work again. I just noticed today that Ignition put out a tweak that apps are slowly being re-signed. So if you're having any issues, then you should be able to visit their website and see what apps are being signed. But it looks like we're going through another revoke apocalypse. This is the quick fix for now. Like I said before, I will be doing more videos in the near future. I've just been kind of busy from the holidays. Stay tuned for more jailbreak updates. I am going to do some videos on checkra1n. I wanted to wait until checkra1n was a little bit more stable because I didn't want any issues or errors popping up on your devices. But I do plan on reviewing checkra1n and showing you guys how to jailbreak with that. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, please go ahead and smack that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.